Hello everyone, and welcome back. I'm just doing an a late April. I can't speak. I'm doing a late August update. It's of the second garden. It's 2021. With the second garden. So things are finally kind of growing. Most of the tomatoes plants are at least shoulder height or about shoulder height. Just gonna try to show some of the tomatoes. Like here, there's some Black Beauty tomatoes that are growing. In this row, here, out of 9 tomatoes, there's basically just two plants that are actually growing stuff. This is the Atomic Grape tomatoes, the Brad's Atomic Grape. I don't know if you can see the tomatoes there, and there's a few here. There's a few here, and the next row is the German pink tomatoes. I find it funny, the leaves for the German pink tomatoes look a bit different compared to the other tomato plants, but I don't know if you can see the one tomato here, which is kind of getting kind of big. I'm gonna give a few more down here. No, this plant just has some flowers on it. Mosquito on my arm. Oh, it's just a fly. Coming around here, there's some tomatoes. I don't know if you can see it. There's 2 more here. More flowers on top. And some cars just coming around. Looks like this tomato here has some cat feasting. And the swallow hole here, which looks like it's just how it grew. This is a fair size too. Yeah, it's a fair size, sorry. And another big one. This row here is the white tomasil tomatoes. So the German pinks. So I have some tomatoes, not on every plant, but they are a bit smaller compared to the German pink tomatoes. This plant here has 2 tomatoes. This one here has 3 on it. These ones, the tomato plants, they basically come to the top of my head, and I'm about 5'7", so it's about 5 feet 7 inches. These tomato plants. Some more tomatoes. This one looks kind of flat. It's really interesting to see how it comes out. Oh, and has some funky cat feasting on the bottom. I don't know if you can see. Let's see what else. Oh, I just found some more. Tomatoes kind of hiding there and here. And here's the, what's it called? Peppers. It's like red roasting pepper. I forget the name of it, unfortunately. I'm not going to pronounce it properly. Atravarsky, I think it's called. And it's late August, and it looks like they're just finally starting to get like flowers or something. I don't know if you can see over here. And there's not much here, but it kind of sucks. It would have been nice. I don't know if if they're normally supposed to come late, or if it just takes a long while for them to grow. And here's the cucumbers. I think the first batch here is the market order 76. I've gotten a few cucumbers from them already. I don't know if you can see the one there hanging on the other side. Some cabbage. I forget what kind of cabbage it is, but there's a second cucumber. Yeah, there it is, the second cucumber. And there's one there. And way back there you can see a cucumber that's ready for picking. I have another maybe 5 more cucumbers at home. And the second half of the trellis is the Armenian cucumbers. They just started getting flowers like a week ago. So, yeah, it's basically just that section there, the Armenian cucumbers. I'm hoping that to get some cucumbers from them this summer. I don't know, it's kind of strange. I've had better luck growing cucumbers here compared to growing them at home. So, I just noticed another cucumber kind of growing there. So, I'll show you the squash. I doubt I'll be getting anything from the squash this year. So, but unfortunately I forget what's what, so they're basically just getting lots of flowers. This one here isn't doing too well. So I had planted buttercup, butternut, Hubbard squash, and pumpkin. But they're basically just getting the male flowers, but not the female flowers that you would need to basically get the squash plant or the pumpkin plant. And here's the other one. I think this is the Hubbard. I can sort of see the name tag that I put. So maybe next year I'll try to do something differently for the squash plants. I'm not too sure what. I don't know, maybe I'll try to do like a better mound of earth or something for the plants, but when I had planted them, it looked like some of the plants were dying off, so I'd plant new seeds. They would come up, but they probably needed more time or a longer growing season. So that's the garden. There's my wife watering the stuff. So anyways, thanks for watching. My wife, she likes calling the garden her market, so, and she's always happy to when there's cucumbers and tomatoes, but hopefully in a few more weeks we'll be able to pick some of the tomatoes. So thanks again for watching. Talk to you guys later on here soon. Bye.